Postgres supports dozens of extensions, but there's a handful that are so useful they really belong in almost every database. I'm going to walk through 10 of them in 3 minutes, what each one does, how you enable it, and the annoying little caveats you'll hit on RDS, CloudSQL, and Azure. pgstat statements is the absolute foundation of any query performance work. It tracks execution stats for normalized queries that run, mean time, max time, number of calls, rows returned, all of it. You've got to add it to shared preload libraries and restart the server, then run create extension. On RDS, it's usually available, so you just enable it. CloudSQL may require you to set a flag first. Azure Flexible Server, you'll need to change a parameter and then restart. pgcrypto gives you cryptographic functions right inside Postgres, bcrypt password hashing, SHA digests, PGP encryption, all that stuff. It's available on every major platform, so you can create extension pgcrypto with the appropriate privileges. Use crypt with GenSalt for storing passwords securely, or digest when you need checksums. pgtram enables trigram indexes. You can use gin index or gist, and they speed up ILIKE queries significantly, especially with gist indexes for patterns starting with a wildcard. It also gives you similarity scoring, which is great for typo-tolerant search. You create a gin index on your text column with the gin triam ops operator class, or a gist index with the gist triam ops operator class, and suddenly those wildcard queries that used to crawl are actually fast. Postgres FDW lets you query tables in another Postgres database like they're sitting right there in your local schema. You define a server that points to the remote host, create a user mapping with the credentials, then create foreign table to map the schema over. Joins and filters get pushed down to the remote side when the planner figures it out. It's allowed on all the managed platforms, but obviously you need network connectivity between your instances. pgvector adds a vector data type and nearest neighbor search operators, basically essential if you're doing anything with AI or semantic search. You store embeddings as vector columns, then you create an HNSW or IVFECLET index so you can run fast cosine or L2 distance queries. It's available on most platforms now, but check what version they're running. HNSW support showed up in pgvector 0.1.8. Quick aside, my DBA's free health check continuously scans your database and flags missing indexes that it mines from your actual queries, unused indexes with the exact drop index concurrently command you need, and bloated or duplicate indexes. It's completely free, connects in minutes, and the report builds out over the first week as telemetry comes in. Number 6. btreegin and btreegist let you build multi-column gin index, or gist indexes, that mix scalar types with the specialized ones. 7. ubud OSIFC, or pgcrypto, for UEID generation. pgcrypto provides gen random ubud starting in Postgres 13, while ubud OSIFC offers other UEID functions. 8. HStore gives you lightweight key value storage in a column. It was the workhorse before JSONB became common. 9. pgcron schedules jobs inside Postgres itself. It's available on Azure and as an RDS extension. And 10. The domain specialists like TimescaleDB for time series, PostGIS for geospatial, and Citus for sharding. Most extensions are just create extension and you're done. But a few of them, pgstat statements and auto-explain, they need to be in shared preload libraries, and that means you're restarting the server. On RDS, you edit the parameter group. On CloudSQL, you set a database flag. Azure Flexible Server, you use server parameters. And some platforms have allowlists. If an extension isn't on that list, you'll need to file a support ticket, or just self-host. My DBA's free health check connects to your database in minutes and starts building out a comprehensive report. It grades you A through F across 16 different domains, everything from indexes and queries to vacuum, config, and security. You'll see which extensions are installed, which indexes are unused or missing, and you get the exact SQL to fix each finding. The first report shows up almost immediately, and it grows over the first week. Then a fresh one lands every week after that. Head over to mydba.dev and connect your database. It's free. and you'll have actionable fixes in minutes.